In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your look in Arc Raiders. Easy tutorial. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can quickly update your character's style and appearance. Begin in Speranza, the main hub area where you can access your character options. Once you're there, look for the Raider menu on your screen and click it. This opens the place where all your character settings live. From here, click Customization to enter the visual options for your character. You'll land on the Style tab first. This tab controls your outfit and backpack customization. Take a moment to browse through the available outfits. As you click through, your character preview updates instantly, so you can see exactly how each option looks in-game. If your view is too tight, rotate or zoom the preview to get a better look at details like textures and color accents. Some outfits might be locked if you haven't unlocked them yet, which is normal. You can still scroll through it to plan a look you'll aim for later. Still within the Style tab, adjust your backpack customization. Backpacks aren't just for show. They change your silhouette and can make your character's profile stand out during gameplay. Pick something that complements your outfit. If you want a sleek look, go minimal. If you want something bold, choose a larger standout design. Again, use the preview to confirm how it pairs with your outfit under different lighting angles. Now, look to the top of the screen and click the Appearance tab. This is where you refine the details that define your character. Here, you can change your face style, hair, and body type. Start with the face and face style to set the overall foundation. Try a few presets to see which one matches the vibe you want. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how your character reads on screen. Move on to hair. Choose a hairstyle that fits your outfit and the tone you're going for. Longer styles will frame the face, while shorter cuts keep things clean and tactical. If color options are available, pick something that contrasts well with your outfit so your character doesn't blend into the environment too much. Finally, adjust your body type. This is all about presence and silhouette, and doesn't change how you play. Choose the build that looks right for your style and gear choices. Take a final pass to make sure the outfit, backpack, and appearance feel cohesive. When everything looks right in the preview, you're good to go. Enjoy your new look in Arc Raiders and have fun out there.